Holy moly. The fabled Cricut vinyl sticker paper has come. I'm very excited. It exists! Oh my gosh. It comes in black, white, yellow, blue, red, green, and then there's also transfer tape. Yes, please.
In leopard print.
Oh, in leopard print. Jeez. I'm very excited. So that was my husband talking in the background. I'm so hyped about all of this, and I want to show you what I ended up getting and honestly my review of it, because I have used it since then. I bought a bunch of it and I'm super excited. I ended up getting, what's my other color? I got this really pretty matte shimmer. I know that sounds like a oxymoron, but it's got this matte texture to it. Let me see if I can show you now that I can open them. I bought them and they're only $1 for like 48 inches of vinyl, which to me is crazy. You go to Hobby Lobby or Joann's or Michael's, I'm gonna post a thing here on what the pricing for something this size would be. Even going to like 143 vinyl, not a price that you're gonna find vinyl for at, and you don't even have to pay shipping. I will say that this is a little banged up, so if you're bummed out by that or you can't work around that, maybe be careful which ones you purchase. The lady at the store when I was there told me that it only had come in last week and it was already, how you saw it in the beginning of this video, already pretty decimated. So if you're interested, go, run now. It's end of my review. It's good, it works, it does the job. So I'm not sure about long term and how well it sticks from there, but honestly, it works really, really well. I ended up doing a small project in my house. I can't show you because it involves my address. I'm one of those people that's very much a labeler, so I label everything around my house, and this is perfect for that. My husband's one of those where it's out of sight, out of mind, so I put labels on everything, otherwise stuff just isn't gonna go back where it's supposed to go, and that drives me crazy. Everything has to have its home. I'm working on that. I'm becoming a person who's a bit more organized, especially with how much yarn I have in my house, so end of rant, but I need to label everything, and if I can find 48 inches of a roll for $1, you darn well no, I'm gonna go for it. Holy moly. I ended up buying these really pretty glass jars from the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting little vinyl stickers on those too. That's my next project, but that's why I bought them, is so that I could do my smoothie bar and have all the cute little names on it. I'll post up pictures hopefully and show in my community tab, so if you're interested in that, or my Instagram or anything like that. But I've tested this out on another project, which involves my address, like I said earlier. So I have trash cans and recycling bins, and I'm in an apartment complex. So there are 2 apartments in this house, and the way that I like to do it is I like to label my trash cans and my recycling bins with my address. That way if it lines up down the street, people can go, oh no, that goes right down there. That's not where that goes, especially with the recycling bins. We had to fight for the recycling bins that we had, so I like putting labels on them, and it actually worked out really well. It's gone through a rain already and it didn't start peeling, so that's a promising sign for me that this vinyl is actually good. I got white, I bought this black. I used the white on the recycling bins because it pops more and it looks better, honestly. And then there's also this really pretty matte shimmer, which seems like an oxymoron, but I like it a lot too. There was also this transfer tape. So I've been known to use the trick where you use shelf liner as your transfer tape, but it is very obvious that it is shelf liner, basically. It looks like it's got the grid, it's got all that stuff on there. So if you're looking to sell your vinyl stickers or whatever, use the transfer tape from here. You do get significantly less sticky surface area, less transfer tape area with this than you would with the shelf liner. So I'd say I'm probably still gonna go with the shelf liner. It works just as fine, just as well. I have an issue with transfer tape that tends to stick too hard and won't come off my vinyl, and it drives me crazy, but generally I'm super excited. So go run to your local Dollar Tree if you're looking for cheap vinyl, because you've got some household things. It worked on my project outside, so if that's something you're interested in, this will definitely work for something that's inside and something small. And I'm going to be going back tomorrow and hoping that there's more there. I'm gonna be picking up some more vinyl paper while I'm there to put in my little Cricut station, which is actually just right, oh, as I hit my camera, right there. That's my little Cricut station. She's a little messy right now. She has her own She has her own thoughts and ideas, but it's mostly organized for the most part. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm giving it a thumbs up and I'm super excited, and not every Dollar Tree has this. Only the one in the major city around me had it. It did not have it at my local Dollar Tree, but I also didn't hunt too hard, so tomorrow I'm going to be hunting a little bit more. But that's pretty much it. I'm super excited. Go to your local Dollar Tree. Use the shelf liner trick if you want to save a little bit more and save your money on the transfer tape. But otherwise, get the vinyl paper because it's really good and I like it. I'm just waiting for them to come out with HTV. That would be a hoot. They sell so many t-shirts there. I'm always seeing t-shirts for sale there, so I'd be interested to see if they could figure out a way to do HTV. But for now, for HTV, I'm still gonna go with 143 vinyl. It's what I've been doing for whenever I do any kind of t-shirts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit the like button, subscribe, stay tuned for all my future videos, and if you want to see more Cricut content, let me know and comment down below, and I'll try to do some more Cricut-y things. Alright, until next time guys, bye! This is me back 2 days later, and holy moly, that got cleared quick.